Real peace does not happen by chance. It is a relentless pursuit of perfection in the human relations with no end point. Sheikh Abu Bakr Ahmad, born on 22nd March 1939 in suburban village of Kantapuram, South India, is well known for his course of service that knows no boundaries as they cross the barriers of language, caste, culture and countries. When a group of world-renowned scholars proved that peace was not merely a distant goal which the whole world sought for, but a means to reach everyone at their real target, Sheikh Abu Bakr Ahmad was one of them to represent his great country, India. It was an assemblage of erudite leaders of the world who came together for a change, signing a common word between us and you, which was the driving force behind the United Nations initiative for the Interfaith Harmony Week observations. Sheikh Abu Bakr Ahmad putting his remarkable signature in celebrated peace agreement of the Common Word, which revealed the urgency of peace movement in the new world order. As an impact of this agreement, a number of international universities like Cambridge University, Yale University and Victoria University, etc., implemented effective courses based on human values and interfaith relations, whereas Sheikh Abu Bakr Ahmad addressed the general public of India, marching to the history of humanitarian mainstream, upholding the great theme of awakening humanity through his illustrious Kerala Yatra, when the state was in the threat of extremism and terrorism. Kerala Yatra was a mass procession to future aspirations of a country knitting all patches badly affected by political as well as religious aversions. More than 1 million followers and fans stood in the capital city of Kerala to support their eminent leader Sheikh Abu Bakr Ahmad, who marched twice to unite the people, disseminating